This could be the most important change Apple has ever made to the iPhone. Foldable phones have been something Apple seemed to be avoiding for years, but the reported iPhone Ultra is starting to sound less like an iPhone and more like a whole new type of device. The iPhone Ultra is said to not open into a tall, thin screen like most foldables we've seen so far. Apple is said to be going with a bigger book-style design instead. This will make the device feel more natural in your hand and look a lot more like an iPad mini when it's opened up. That really could make everything different. It is said that the outside screen will be shorter and bigger than any current iPhone, while the inside screen may really feel like a tablet without getting too big or awkward. A big surprise, though, is that Apple was able to get rid of the crease, which is still something people hate about folding phones. Leaks say the iPhone Ultra might have an almost wrinkle-free display on the inside, which is something the tech industry has been trying to get for years. If this is true, it would be one of the best changes to a folding phone ever. Apple is supposedly getting ideas for the design from the iPhone Air. When opened up, the iPhone Ultra could have a luxury titanium frame and a body that is very thin. Some news sources say it looks like two iPhone Air models folded together, but it's even smaller. It's also possible that Apple will keep the color choices simple, with only black and white models being reported for the launch. The iPhone Ultra is likely to have two different screens for the displays. The outside screen could be between 5.3 and 5.5 inches, which would make it look like a small iPhone mini but with a bigger body. When it's opened up, the main screen may grow to about 7.6 to 7.8 inches, making it feel a lot like an iPad mini camera. There are also beginning to be details. There are rumors that the iPhone Ultra will have two cameras on the back, a main sensor with 48 megapixels and an ultra-wide camera with 48 megapixels. But people who want this futuristic look might have to give up one thing, the telephoto lens. Because the device has two screens, the zoom might not work as well as Apple's Pro models. Apple is also likely to add two front-facing cameras, one for the screen on the outside and one for the screen on the inside. Not much is known for sure yet, but leaks say Apple might use the same 18-megapixel center stage camera that came with the iPhone 17 line, probably with a more modern hole-punch design. The price is the next thing that everyone is already thinking about. Even though there are a lot of different rumors, most experts think that the 256GB iPhone Ultra will start at around $1,999. Yes, pretty close to $2,000. But Apple might think that the fact that the iPhone and iPad are now combined into one futuristic device is enough to explain the huge price. One thing is for sure, though. The iPhone Ultra won't just be another new iPhone if it comes out. It might be the most daring thing Apple has made in years.